Hi everyone, my name is Sandrine. Thank you for being here. This video is the tutorial you need if you just get a new WordPress website and you need to understand your dashboard menu. Just before we get started, I'd like you guys to understand that every dashboard menu is going to look different from one website to another. And that is because of two main reasons. The first reason is the access you were given when your website started. The second reason is the amount of plugin you would have on your website. A plugin is simply an app or a program that is installed into your website to make it better. As you can see here on the screenshot, I have hidden all the plugins that were installed on the website. So that just shows all the things we're going to work on today. We're going to start with the dashboard page because it is the first page that you will come to every time you logged into your admin WordPress website. This page will show you at a glance all the things that are available on your website. You can customize it by clicking on the tab and moving around on your dashboard. You can also at the top select the screen option, and there you'll be able to tick or untick whatever you want to be shown on this page. Then below, we're going to talk about the posts. The posts on your page are always organized by either date, tags, or categories. There's a lot of ways you can display the posts on your website, but every time you upload a new post, it will come first on this page. So here you can see all the posts that are on your website. You can create a new post. You can see all the categories that you have created for your post, and also all different tags to make them easier for people to search them. Below the tag, we're going to have the media button. The media is the place where all your picture will live for your website. On here, you'll be able to see your library, which is all the pictures that are already installed into your website. And you'll also be able to add some new media file. Below, we have the page button. The page, it will be all the pages. They are static and they are staying on your website. You have the link to see all the pages, to add a new page. Eventually, you can have the edit the front page here. Otherwise, you will have it under all pages. And you can also create a new template. Once you go into all pages, you'll be able to click onto the page that you want to change and edit any information from there. Below, we have the comment button. The comment button is related to the post. And that's a great thing about post is that people can actually leave live comments on your website. If you have a new comment, it will show a number next to it. Then we're going to talk about the appearance button. Under there, you are going to find what theme your website is using. There's a lot of settings that can be done in here. If your website has been freshly built, you shouldn't have to go there or make any changes. Below, we have the plugins. From here, you can see all the installed plugin, and you can also add a plugin. If you see a number next to it into a red circle, that means some plugins needs to be updated. For updating the plugins, you'll have to open Install Plugin. You have the bulk action button and you can select update and then click the apply button. That will take a few minutes and then this number will disappear. Next, we have the user button. Under the user button, you should be allowed to see all the users, to add new user, and also get into your profile. And to your profile, you'll be able to change some personal information, including your password. If you need to change your password, check out this video I made. You will see the tool and the settings button. I will put it under the same as the appearance button. If your website's already been built for you and everything is working well, you shouldn't have to make any changes in those categories. Lastly, we have the collapse button right at the bottom, and that is really good if you want a bigger working space on your screen. Now we're just gonna do the top bar of your dashboard menu quickly. So we have the W logo, which is your information about WordPress. Next to it, you have the little house with the name of your website. When you go over this, you can see visit site. When you click here, that will take you directly to your website as it is live. The two arrows next to it is the amount of plugins that needs to be updated. It is a shortcut to updating your plugins. Next, you have the button for comment, which is also a shortcut for your comment button. Next shortcut is the plus new. From here, you'll be able to add anything quickly new on your website, and the list is below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was all okay for you to understand. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thank you so much again. Have a great day. See you next time. Bye-bye.